Okay, right here they have the side, so you could move and tighten up so it doesn't move too much your light, so you could have the right angle you want it. And the same thing with the solar. It has right here the little knob that it will help you tighten it up so it could stay on the side you want it, so it doesn't move. So that way when it's windy or something, you don't need to worry about it moving and being placed in the wrong way.
Okay.
All right.
There's one.
There we go. We have this one's installed. I'm getting the next one installed.
Oh.
All right. This is our light coming out in the night. Look how bright they are. Nice. Look at this. So, oh, there they are. And look at them. So we have 6 in total of this set. Nice and bright. Oh my goodness, coming out, seeing this beautiful brightness of lights. It's like, that is beautiful, nice and bright. We could hang out here, not worry about having my lights out. It's easier, solar. I'm not wasting any energy. I'm not paying for this extra light, and I'm able to enjoy my pool in it. Thank you.